Welcome! If you've been using Telegram on your PC lately, you might have noticed emojis popping up automatically when you type certain words. While this feature can be fun, it can also get a bit annoying, especially if you prefer to keep your messages clean and distraction-free. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off the Suggest Emoji Replacements feature in just a few simple steps. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings without any issues. Once Telegram is open, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see three horizontal lines. This is the main menu. Click on those three lines to open up the sidebar with all your options. From there, scroll down and click on Settings. This is where you can customize how Telegram looks and behaves according to your preferences. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Chat Settings. This section controls everything related to your messaging experience, including text size, themes, and smart features like emoji suggestions. Now, look for the option called Suggest Emoji Replacements. When this feature is enabled, Telegram automatically replaces certain words with emojis as you type. To stop this behavior, simply toggle the switch off. And that's it.